Here is your next question. The question says filling the gaps. Okay. And 100, 10, 5, then it is 90 and 5 again. And this box you need to fill. And your options are A 95, B 450, C 45, and D 85. So it's a tricky question, children. Okay, just see the pattern. It's given as 100, 10, 5, 95 and something. So just we will try to look from the bottom. So if you see here, 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. So which means if I add 2, this gives me a sum here. Okay. And similarly, the next column, 90 plus 10 gives me 100. So similarly, what should I add here with 5 that gives me the answer 90? So these are the answers. Okay. So I need to add something with 5 in order to get the answer 90. So what should I do is 90 minus 5 is how much, children? Very good. It's 85. So if I add 85 here, so 85 plus 5 will give me the answer 90. Clear? So where is 85? Very good. It is option D. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Here is your next question. The question says, find A and B. Okay? And your question again is 5,000, 1,000, 500, then 4,000 and A, and then the next one is B. Your options are A is 500, B is 3,000, option B, A is 5,000, B is 3,500, option C, A is 500 and B is 3,500, and option D, A is 500 and B is 1,000. Fine. So now just see the pattern again. 5,000, 1,000, 500. So again, if you see, it is observe the same pattern. 4,000 plus 1,000 makes it 5,000. Clear? So 4,000 plus 1,000 makes it 5,000. So similarly, what will come here? If I add these two, I should get an answer 4,000. Okay. So the total of this plus this will give me an answer here. Okay. So what should be the answer, children? Just check and tell me. So now, if I add something here with this number, it will give me an answer 1,000. So 1,000 minus 500 is how much, children? 1000 minus 500. So 0, 0, 10 minus 5 is 5. So which means here it will be 500. As I said, if I add these two, it gives me an answer 5000. So similarly, if I add these two, it will give me an answer 1000. So which means the value of A is 500. If I add 500 plus 500, gives me an answer 1000. The same logic applies here. If I add B with A, I get the answer 4000. So now B plus A, which is 500, is equals to 4000. So therefore, the value of B will be 4000 minus 500. So we'll see 4000 minus 500. 0, 0, 10 minus 5 is 5 and 3. So value of B is 3500. So the value of A is 500 and B is 3500. So where can you see that, children? Yes, it is option C. So did you understand this pattern of question, children? When you get a question like this, you have to see that which two numbers are added to get your sum. So once you understand the loop, it's easy for you to find out the other answers. Clear? Shall we move to the next question? Okay. So here is your next one. The question says, a poultry farm sends 1647 eggs to the market in a van. On the way, two 34 eggs broke. How many eggs were left in the van? Okay. Your options are A 1413, B 1234, C 1647 and D 234. Okay. So now the question asked is, a poultry farm had sent 1647 eggs, okay, in which 234 eggs broke in the middle. So let us try to figure out what is the balance. 1647 minus 234. So 7 minus 4 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, 6 minus 2 is 4 and 1. So your answer is 1413 eggs were left unbroken or they were safe. So where is it? Yes. So option A is the right answer. Clear? Shall we do the next sum? Here is your next question. The question says, in the parking area, two 198 cars and 1212 bikes were parked. How many more cars were there than the bikes? Okay. So here there are no options given. So let us try to find out the answer. So in the parking area, 2198 cars and 1212 bikes were parked. Fine. How many more cars were parked than the bike? So it's a simple subtraction, right? So 2198 minus 1212. So 8 minus 2 is 6, 9 minus 1 is 8 and 11 minus 2 is 9. So the answer is 986. Okay. So which means that 986 cars were more than the bikes. Clear, children? So shall we move ahead with the next question?